So you want to make more money, but without working yourself into the ground. Then you've come to the right video. Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll show you how to create multiple income streams the smart way. Now this approach has helped my clients go from relying on a single paycheck to adding 3 or more passive income streams in just a few weeks, all without the stress of juggling countless new skills. Now, my name's Tim Lowe, and not too long ago I was right where you are. I know the frustration of feeling stuck with just one income stream, unsure how to branch out without overwhelming yourself. Now, I spent 20 years as a corporate lawyer, working long hours and feeling the weight of a career that left little room for anything else. Then in 2016, I walked away at the peak of my career, and since then, I've helped executives and business owners around the world build multiple income streams, not by mastering endless skills, but by tapping into their purpose so that they can live lives that are both wealthy and fulfilling and without the burnout. Now, most of my clients come to me feeling trapped, relying on a single income stream. They know they need to diversify, but they have no idea where to start without burning themselves out. Now, between the demands of their current job or business and the fear of taking on too much, the whole idea of building multiple income streams feels impossible. So instead, they start to follow the common guru advice out there, right? Like taking on a side gig or investing or trading in stocks or crypto or real estate, hoping to get a quick return, or maybe launch a business, right? Without understanding the time or skills or risk involved, thinking that they can monetize their hobbies. Now, while there's nothing wrong with investing or starting a business, doing it the typical guru advice way adds a lot more to your already busy schedule. Because most gurus will teach you to master skills, and mastery takes a long time and a lot of work, like 10,000 hours of practice. Think about it. If you practice a skill 8 hours a day, that's 3.5 years of daily practice. The problem is you don't have 10,000 hours to master a single skill. Then multiply that by the number of skills you need for one income stream, and then multiply that by the number of income streams you want to have. Forbes tells us that the wealthy have 3 to 5. So you see how all that adds up. No wonder most people never get beyond just having one income stream. Because the biggest problem with us trying to use these mastery level skills without mastering them is that you end up making mistakes. And in the world of business or investing, those can be expensive. Right? Some of our clients lost tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars before they came to us. And even if you master them and start making money, they take up so much time and effort that you end up with even more stress and less time. Now, thankfully, there's a simple solution, and you can use it for both investments and businesses. And you can start making profits without the stress and strain of mastering a ton of new skills. The secret is simple. Choose the right platform. Right? Let me break it down for you. For instance, in the financial markets, there are so many ways to win. Right? You could invest long-term in index funds or good companies and get results with little or no mastery. Or you could, trade stocks or derivatives like options, all of which requires mastery in a number of different skills. Yet, I hear this all the time, right? Investing is boring. I'd rather trade and make money quickly. And they end up losing money. It's the same in business, right? Start with low mastery options that are proven to bring in money quickly. For instance, if you look at like the online marketing world, you might start with something like affiliate marketing instead of creating your own products. Or worse, I've seen clients come to us after losing money trying to start some form of online marketing agency when they've only learned online marketing in order to start the agency. Now, most people think low mastery options like affiliate marketing or index funds can't be profitable, but that's simply not true. And here's the proof. If you invested just $1,000 a month into NASDAQ for the last 20 years, you'd have $1.8 million today. Now think about it. How many people do you know who have worked 20 years and have $1.8 million in savings? And when I left my law career, I didn't need to master marketing in order to start making money. I started as an affiliate marketer, and I used that to replace my law income in months. Not because I was a master, but because I chose the right platforms and leaned into what I call purpose-led proficiency, and I've linked a video where I dive into that a lot deeper. Now, by choosing the right platform or vehicle for your investment or business, you can get money in quickly without mastering a whole bunch of skills. And once the money starts coming in, you know it works, and it's something that you can build on to get more money coming in to the point that it replaces your income. And that's when you can start thinking about quitting your job. And the best part is because we didn't use complicated skills to get the money in the first place, they don't take hours and hours a day to manage. The key is to select the correct platforms that work together, so you need to manage even less, and then have low market correlation so that they can work together in a portfolio to lower your risk and enhance your results even further. And to help you with that, I've got a video series explaining the entire process with an actionable step-by-step framework of how to start using this to create multiple income streams without the stress and strain of mastery. Just head to start.purposefree.com/workshop or click here to watch this video on using purpose-led proficiency instead of mastery to grow your wealth.